Meaning of forget-me-not.
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 Forget-me-not. Forget-me-not is a common name for a small, delicate, blue flower with yellow centers. The name signifies remembrance, love, and fidelity. The legend behind the name tells of a medieval knight who, after picking some forget-me-nots for his lover, fell into a river and cried out, "Forget-me-not, my love." Today, the flower is often used in memorials, funerals, and other remembrance ceremonies. It serves as a symbol of the enduring love between two people and the importance of cherishing memories.